Good morning, guys. It's 1st of May, a new day, a new month. Let's start fresh this month. Let's be accountable. Let's be more responsible about the time that we spend, and let's be more mindful and not waste any time on stupid things and stupid shit. Let's get serious. Focus on earning than spending this whole month, each and every day of this, month. Let's see how do we do. And yeah, I woke up at around 7:30, 7:15. I just before this I smoked a cigarette just like every day. So today I actually want to deliver a parcel which is not so light actually. It's quite 50 plus kilo, and I want to give it to a buyer who wants to buy this. So I'm selling my old numbers. So let's see how. Since yesterday I was thinking how can I it's just the village that I want to uh, take it to. It's not that long actually. It's 15 to it's only 15 kilometers away. But I don't know how do I how do I get it delivered to him. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. He wants it before 10. Yeah, let's see if I can manage it somehow. Otherwise, I used to I had to use public transport. Let's see how can I do. So I am not feeling like working out any more today. I am feeling quite lazy, but yeah, let's see. In the evening, will do basic workout. One more thing, guys, we are not just gonna be working out since this month. We will also be starting proper diet, not so proper, but yeah, whatever as per my understanding. And I certainly know enough of everything, so that's gonna be good for me. And yeah, maybe I'll start eating more things that I gonna be help building my muscles. And I mean, yeah, let's see how can I do that. So let's start then. Let's do some basic workout, maybe for half an hour, and get freshen up. Let's take a shower, and then I'll see you guys. I hope you are spending your days wisely. Don't be stupid, guys. Yeah, be smart, be aware, be conscious, be mindful, and be awesome. Yeah, because you're watching. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys. Hello, guys. It's almost 9 a.m. It's 1st of May. So as I told you earlier, I was gonna go with the weight of 50 kg plus to another town which is 15 kilometers away for a buyer, which apparently he didn't show up. I was calling him, but he is busy. So I changed my mind. I'm not selling it to him. Fuck that shit. They need me. I don't need you. You need me. I don't need you. Okay. If you live by this philosophy, no entity, no motherfucker can even think of hurting you, because you are not caring about anything. You just do you, and you do you, and others adjust. So we do have a whole day in front of us. So I decided I won't be smoking in the day. I'll talk with my friend, try to be sober as much as time of the day as I can. Let's be sober today. And yeah, I'll be spending most of my today working hours. Let's see how do we do today. Yeah, stay around. Hello, guys, good afternoon. It's almost 2:30 to 45 something in the afternoon. So what I was doing, I just came back to home. I have not had any lunch as of now because I was doing something, as I told you earlier. I had a buyer, who wanted to buy some dumbbells, but yeah, he was not that satisfied. But 2K, but yeah, I took 1K from him, and I told him I'll get another buyer and he'll just dispatch it to him. But yeah, let's say what I need to do. But yeah, 1K is okay. And one more thing, guys, I also found a contact on WhatsApp and the Telegram. I know it's a scam, yeah, but yeah, if we have to call a scam to something or somebody, it has to be dealing with money, right? Without money, nothing is fraud, nothing is scam, right? Because when money gets involved, then shit becomes real. So yeah, cut to the chase, and I'll tell you in short. Basically, you must have also heard of it, because basically what we need to do, give some stars and reviews to couple of hotels, or be it any property, the guys that they send us to. So we just have to give them some stars and send them screenshots, and they pay for per 50 or 25 rupees per review. So like this. And one more thing, guys, if you invest some amount, they get you some return like 30-40%. So yeah, with taking a huge risk, I knew I could have lost all the money. I sent them 1K total, and they sent me After 30-40 minutes, they send me 1420, like 30% return, something like that. And yeah, let's see how do we do. And yeah, I brought some stash, and I'll show you the growth of my cannabis plants, because now I can see there are some leaves. This is not the plant that we are looking at. These are the tiny plants that are quite growing fast these days. And yeah, so let's smoke some weed now, and yeah, I'll see you guys. And yeah, in the morning we did 150 squats. Didn't do any push-ups because I was not feeling it. So yeah, and we'll start diet soon. We'll start eating healthy, nutritious, high-protein diet to compensate the workout, that heavy intense workout that we do, because without diet it's just a waste of time and waste of energy. So yeah, that is it guys. I will see you guys. Make sure you are doing what you have to do right now, and stay awesome. Peace out. Hello guys, good evening. It's almost 5:45 in the evening. So earlier what I was doing, I was just watching something on mobile. The task, that the reviewing task on the Telegram that we talked about. Yeah, I was doing those things and watching something on YouTube, and also smoking along with. So I was just walking here, just being in touch with the nature itself. Yeah, still I got ton of the shit to do. Yeah, they're not. One thing I have observed, that when I smoke weed, I get to become so lazy, because if I bought something, bought a stash, I can't keep it with me. Same thing it is with the money. I'm not a saver, guys. I can't save up things and collect it and keep it as a stash when you are in lack of those things. You might have it already. I'm not a believer of that. The circumstances don't give me any chance to save for the things. But yeah, we will start doing that. Save more and spend less and earn more. Let's see. I'll show you the view. It's quite sunny here, but yeah, it's 6 p.m. about to happen. Yeah, it will be a worth evening, and then we'll chill. I just had a heavy lunch, quite so late. Pre-evening, late lunch, yeah, whatever you can call it. So we are done for the day, because we did workout. We completed a walk, not so long walk, but yeah, walking a step, it counts, right? So it doesn't matter how much time or how long you do those things. What are the things that you need to do? You did for reading, you can read for a minute, it still counts, right? So make sure you do all the things. Make sure I'm doing all the things. Let's see how we do spend our rest. If there's something to show with you, I'll show it. Otherwise, we will wrap this up. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Peace out. Hello guys, good evening. I was just trying to show you how cool the weather on my terrace is looking. It's a bit cloudy, but not as cloudy as it might not rain. I don't think so. But yeah, look at this. It's nice, clean, beautiful view. Yeah, look at this. What do you call this mountain? And yeah, village. One thing about village is, look at all 360 degree view. You will find mountains, which we call Dungar. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is something. Yeah, you can have this. Enjoy this. Look at this. Bye. Peace out.